Alright, this is the STL file directory review for the mounting pins. And there's any number of mounting pins here that hold the device together. Most of them are these 2.4 millimeter types. That what you want to do here, if you don't already have a profile for these things, is go here into print settings. You should have at least 3 parameters, and solid top layers and solid bottom layers. Increase these to 6. And then just go into infill and set that to triangles. Fill density doesn't really matter. What that's going to do is just give you a pattern like this, like a star pattern, and that's typically the best for strength anyways. So not much else to say here. If you really want these things to be strong, you can increase them to 4 parameters and they'll be almost all solid. But you really shouldn't need to do that. These things are designed to be overkill, that there's just way too many of them in the design, and that's how they compensate for any kind of lack of strength. Also, another thing to be aware of is not to print these things one at a time. They will print very slowly. You don't want to spend 15 minutes printing a single pin. Go ahead and add several. And the other thing to go do is to go into filament settings and cooling. For PETG, the numbers that I've got here seem to work just fine, assuming you're printing several at a time.